So I want to show you how you can create your own custom embroidered hat logo or graphic with chat.com. So you can create a free account, just go to chat.com and you'll copy this prompt. I'll put this below in the YouTube description, but this will create that graphic file, which you can then send to us at Kharity.com, and we'll create a custom embroidered hat for you. So I've already uploaded my prompt image. This is Frank Reynolds from It's Always Sunny. And then I'll just update this part of the prompt. The graphic style is insert your style based on the uploaded image here. So the style is a black outline of Ongo, his character, face, glasses, and hair from It's Always Sunny, based on the uploaded image here. Okay, then these are the specifics to what we can embroider. These are the colors. So we're all good. Just click submit or enter. So once you have your custom logo or graphic designed with chat.com, you can just email it to us, info@Kharity.com. That's charity with a K.com. So as you can see, we've got version 1 of our graphic. It looks like chat didn't pick up on the large white hair, but this is also a great Frank Reynolds graphic. So I'll start with this one and get a better image to reprompt this, so chat.com can tell there is a large white wig on Frank Reynolds. So save this and email it to us, info@Kharity.com.